Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create all these miniature bags out of a mango leaf. This can be made in a minute, and for making this, you will not require glue. In this video, I'm going to use scissors, but using scissors is totally optional. So without delaying, let's get into the video. So first, you will need a piece of mango leaf. Split it into two half parts. One half part should contain the stem and another should not contain the stem. Just like this. Take another half part which contains the stem and cut somewhat leaf part from it. Just gonna cut the tip. I'm going to cut the excess stem. And I'm going to take another half part and cut both tips. Another half part which contains the stem and put it back and just put the stem as how I do. Take another leaf part which doesn't contain the stem and just round around the other part. I'm just going to take the excess part and I'm just going to insert it inside the handle. Take it out. Just like this. Now I'm going to cut the excess leaf part. And enter into this gap. I'm just going to press the bag. So that's it. Our miniature leaf bag is ready. This is very easy to make, and as I said in the beginning, this only will take a minute to make.